What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be installing some nice new floor mats in the Corolla today. So today I got some 3DMAXPIDER mats. These mats have to be probably one of my favorite mats out of all the floor mats. I've tried WeatherTech, I've tried a random brand in my Corolla, I've tried a couple other brands, and these have to be probably the best and the best looking and functional floor mats out there. So with all that being said, let's hop into the video and let's show you guys these. So in opening up the box, you'll see this is a full set, front and rear. So we'll just pull out the whole bag. And these do come in different colors if you're looking for, I think they have light gray and tan. So, but I think black always looks the best. So, and they have like, they have this like, I don't want to say carbon fiber look, but it's like a weave look on them. And I think it looks really nice. So I have these mats in my Camry. I've had them for probably the last like 4 years or something like that in my Camry. And I've absolutely loved them. And they still look practically brand new. So I mean, they might be a little dirty and the lighting might not be the best, but I have them in here and I love them. They fit good. They hold in all the dirt. So I'll get some better shots of those too in a second to show you guys how well they hold up. But for now, we're going to be putting them in the Corolla. And looking at them now, so they have like a dead pedal fuel, or not a dead pedal, but like a thing for your heel that like is supposed to help and not damage the mats as much. And then also too, when you flip them over, they have like this carpeted feel, so that way it'll really help stick to your factory carpet on your car. You got the front ones, passenger, driver side, and then the rear one. So let's hop in the car and let's take a look and see how these will fit. So you can see this is the brand I have now. I have Weston. They were fairly cheap mats, but like they did the job. When I bought the car, they didn't have any floor mats whatsoever. And so with that being said, the carpet underneath is kind of destroyed because of that. These have been doing an okay job. They're just kind of flimsy and they don't fit good. But you can see whoever owned this before, has never had any floor mats. So, and their heel dug through the floor. But let's clean up the floors real quick, get everything all nice and clean, and then we'll throw in the new ones. Alright, now, so before I get farther into the video, I just want to say thanks for 3DMAXPIDER for wanting to become a sponsor of the channel. So if you guys are interested in buying these floor mats for your Corolla or any other car, I have a discount code Brandon3D10. If you guys are interested, I'll pop it up on the screen and put a link down in the description if you guys are interested in buying this. So they have free shipping over $99. So if you buy the front and back set of probably any mats, you'll get free shipping and you can save $10 with my code. So if you guys are interested, I'll be putting a link down below. With that being said, let's finish this video. Alright, so I got the first footwell, or the floor clean. Let's throw in the first mat. Something I want to say too, I don't know if it's just my Corolla or if it's all Corollas, but this has the option for like the safety lock things. My car has the spot for them, but they don't have the thing. I don't know why, but they don't have it. So let me know if your Corolla has that or not, because I'm curious if like mine, someone just pulled them out, or if it didn't come with it, and if I can add them or not. But let's throw this mat in there. Let's see what it looks like first. Alright, I do have to say they fit way nicer than the other ones. One thing too I hated about the other ones was they actually flipped over my trunk release and gas release. So this is nice. The cutouts better on these, and just all in all, they look way nicer and fit nicer. So, but now that this one's in, like I said, looks good, covers up pretty much everything that you need to, so you don't even have to worry about ever having to clean the carpet. Let's hop on the other sides and let's clean up everything on there too. And just want to give you kind of a representation of how this mat is. It's like, this is my old mat on top of the 3DMAXPIDER mats, and like I was trying to show you, it covered up the trunk release on this side. You get way more coverage over here. This never fit as good on here, and you can see it doesn't line up like the 3DMAXPIDER ones does. So it's just what happens when you cheap out on mats. Like I said, I only paid like 60 bucks for the Weston mats, and they're front and back. So, but the 3DMAXPIDER are so much better quality, and they just look so much better. And like I said, the lip on the MaxSpider ones are way taller, so it's like when you spill any liquids or anything, it'll contain inside the floor mat. And then coming to the back, I just want to show you these mats right here that I bought. Like I said, the cheap Weston mats. I'm not going to say they're bad mats. I mean, they work decently, but like they curl up. I don't know if like the heat affects it or something, but they curl up. And also too, the rears are in two pieces. So this is a separate piece and that's a separate piece. Kind of dumb design, especially it's like you spill something in the middle. So, but these other ones are a one piece that go all the way across the back, covers up everything and doesn't do any of this curling and stuff like that. Alright, so I got the back seat ones all thrown in, and man, does that look so much cleaner back here. So one thing I'm not quite sure, it doesn't fit like perfectly over here, but I'm looking like, I don't know, this looks weird here, because if you look at that seatbelt holder, it's just like a tiny square, and then this one's a big circular piece. I don't know why. It looks like it's supposed to be cut out for that, but I do have to say it fits a million times better than the other one. So I'm just surprised that they still sell floor mats for a 13-year-old car, which is amazing. So, and here's what it looks like in the front. I really have to say, like, it really cleans up the car. It makes it look so much more like just cleaner and like just nicer looking, like more premium, I guess I can say. Like I said, it's a very nice fit. They fit really good. The only fitment thing I'm saying is right over there on that side, but all in all, like from my previous floor mats to this, a million times better than this. And then the front too, the driver's side, just fits so much nicer. And for anyone curious, when you guys buy these mats, they say they only sell them for the automatic transmissions, but just want to show you 1, 2, 3. So I got my clutch pedal here and everything fits perfect. So I don't know why they say on their website that these do not fit. But yeah, again, these will fit a manual transmission car. So don't, just if you order these from their website, just pick the automatic version and they will fit like normal. So if you select the one with the manual transmission, they will only show you the back one. So make sure you just select the automatic transmission if you want this. But one thing I did notice, like I said, I don't know if this is from the manual transmission to the automatic or not. Like I was talking to you guys at the beginning, these holes here that help hold down the mat, they don't line up with the holes that I have on my floor. So I don't know if that's something that is the reason why they say they don't fit. But again, my car didn't even have anything to put in those holes, so it's not like it even matters. And these mats are so, like, they stick so good to the carpet, they're so well fitted, they're not even gonna slip around. Because my last mats didn't have the same thing, and they've moved a little bit, but they didn't move around enough to really affect your pedals at all. But these like fit so much nicer that they stick and they're never even gonna move if you guys are worried about not having the little lock things there or not. So like I said, I think that's the only thing I noticed on these. I don't know if that's just from the manual to the automatic, but if you guys have your Corollas, let me know down below if those fit or how your holes are located or whatnot. Alright, also too, so if you guys are curious about longevity about these floor mats, like I said, this is just a quick vacuum on the mats I did in my Camry here. And I've had these mats in here for probably roughly around like 4 years. So I mean, you can see there is some wear, like where my heel kind of goes and everything like that, but I mean, all in all, they still look good and they clean up really nicely. So like I said, this is 4 years of like, and probably like 50,000 miles, 4 years of just abuse and not cleaning. Like I probably clean these maybe every 3 months or something like that. So they still look really nice and they clean up even better once you take them out and scrub them with like a degreaser or something like that. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and also thanks 3DMAXPIDER for wanting to sponsor the channel. Again, if you guys are interested in picking up these floor mats, I'll put the code right here. It's Brandon3D10 to save $10 off your next order. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also smash that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.